starting with your eyebrow, I would follow the natural arch of my eyebrow to make it smooth and even. Then I squeeze out a bit of foundation and use my brush to dip the foundation to conceal my eyebrow. And I would use my finger to dab it so it blends in with my skin more. Then we have our primer. Apply it smoothly on your face. Next we have our foundation. Smoothly apply it to your skin. And then we have concealer. First, I want to conceal my bags because I normally sleep really late at night, and then acne scars. Well, now that I have flawless skin, it's time to add a bit of color. First, I'm going to use an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to add this red eyeshadow onto my lids and dip a bit on the other side as well to make my eyes look even. Next, since it's Chinese New Year, I would like to add a bit of gold onto my eyes to mix in with the red. So now it has this peachy color that I really like. Next, I'm gonna add this mud color into my eye to darken my crease. But I don't know if this has any effect, so might as well try it, I guess. I'm very obsessed with this orange color and I would like to put it everywhere over my eyes since my eyes aren't big enough. I'm gonna smudge it under my eyes. Surprisingly, I like how it looks on me, and I'm gonna smudge it under my other eye to give a more brightening effect. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use whatever eyeliner pencil I have. I'm just gonna draw a small wing right outside of my eyes. I'm gonna draw under my waterline as well. Next step is contouring. I would dab two of the darkest color and smack it on top of my nose bridge. Dab the highlighter around your nose will give you a more cuter effect, and more highlighter on my nose bridge. Well, it's time for mascara. I'm just gonna brush my lower lashes and my upper lashes. I'm just gonna give my eyelashes a bit of squeeze to help them lift. Then we have lipstick. I normally like to dab my lipstick around my mouth so it's not too dry, and use my pinky to dab around my mouth until it looks even. I really like to put moles under my eye, so I'm just gonna dab a mole under my eye and one on top of my eye to make me feel special. And we're finally done.